discuss the qualification, appointment, tenure and conditions of office of governor of a state. Ans. Article 153 of the Constitution provides that there shall be a governor for each state, provided that nothing in this article shall prevent the appointment of the same person as governor for two or more states. According to Article 155, the governor of a state shall be appointed by the President by warrant under his hand and seal. No person shall be eligible for appointment as governor unless he is a citizen of India and has completed the age of 35 years, Article 156. The governor will hold office for a term of 5 years, provided that a governor shall, notwithstanding the expiration of his term, continue to hold office until his successor enters upon his office. The governor shall hold office during the pleasure of the President. Conditions of office of the governor. According to Article 158, the conditions of office of the governor will be as follows. 1. The governor shall not be a member of either House of Parliament or of a House of the Legislature of any state specified in the first schedule, and if a member of either House of Parliament or of a House of the Legislature of any such state be appointed governor, he shall be deemed to have vacated his seat in that House on the date on which he enters upon his office as governor. 2. The governor shall not hold any other office of profit. 3. The governor shall be entitled without payment of rent to the use of his official residences and shall be also entitled to such emoluments, allowances, and privileges as may be determined by Parliament by law, and until provision in that behalf is so made, such emoluments, allowances, and privileges as are specified in the second schedule. 4. The emoluments and allowances of the governor shall not be diminished during his term of office. According to Article 159, every governor and every person discharging the functions of the governor shall, before entering upon his office, make and subscribe in the presence of the Chief Justice of the High Court exercising jurisdiction in relation to the state, or in his absence the senior most judge of that court, available on oath or affirmation in the prescribed form.